Water runoff here is critical.
But the map shows this area is too saline.
We have to use the drought-resistant seeds first.
Watch the torque on the pipe. Keep it steady.
We found it! It's amazing! Look at the pressure! This changes everything.
We found it! It's really flowing!
This changes everything.
The dry soil immediately absorbs the moisture, a stark transformation at ground level. This massive linear move system is capable of transforming thousands of acres of arid desert into fertile farmland.
We slice the potato precisely, making sure every piece contains a healthy sprout or eye before planting. In the heart of the arid landscape, these lines represent not just water. Water is the lifeblood of these fields.
Each morning brings the promise of heat. Here, survival is a daily struggle against the relentless desert sun.
I cannot believe it grew. Look how strong it is already.
Yes, it is. It really is beautiful.
Pull the nets down, quickly!
Help me with this rope. The storm is here.
The storm hit with unprecedented force, a true test of survival for the young crop.
The desert no longer looks empty.
That's 3 centimeters higher than last week.
Okay.
Yeah. The spread is excellent too. We're ready for the next phase.
Above ground, the potato plants grow denser, their overlapping leaves creating a cool, dark sanctuary in the soil below.
Look at that. It's perfect. After all this time, we finally did it.
It worked. I really didn't think it would.
We pulled it off! Great job, everyone!
Fueled by the desert sun and careful irrigation, the humble potato plant. Thanks to efficient irrigation, the soil retains the moisture, transforming the microclimate beneath the canopy.
Deep beneath the surface, the potato tubers draw energy from the soil, growing larger with each gentle pulse of the earth.
The experiment is no longer a question. It is working.
Increasing pressure now.
Holding steady at 40 psi. Looks good.
It's worse than we thought.
Half the field is gone.
Despite the harsh conditions above, the tubers swell, drawing life from the moist earth below.
They're here. Deploy the sprayers now. Move, move.
Sprayer's ready on the left flank.
Nets up. Hold the line.
Look at that, they're retreating.
We did it. The harvest is safe.
As the days passed in a blur, the potato plants recovered, their vibrant green signaling the return of hope to the fields.
Color is almost there.
Almost.
We
We start Tuesday, I can feel it.
Yes, Tuesday sounds good.
Under the cloak of darkness, the harvest waits.
This is unbelievable. We've never grown them this big.
How is that even possible?
The journey to the world begins.
From the desert, really. I wonder how they manage that.
They look absolutely perfect.
Yeah. They're the sweetest you'll ever taste.
Goodness me, look at the size of these.
And the quality, just beautiful.
We'll take 10 pounds.
They said it couldn't be done. They called it impossible. And yet, here we are.
We proved them wrong.